Hi you guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well on this Monday, although you're probably not going to see this on a Monday, but it's a Monday for me and I wanted to film a sort of productive morning routine, kind of take you guys along with what I do on a typical working Monday. But before we get into this video, I wanted to thank my sponsor, Scentbird. Scentbird recently reached out to me and offered to send me some of their cruelty-free scents, which I'm so excited about because, as you guys know, I've been trying to transition my beauty routine to be more cruelty-free. But if you don't know what Scentbird is, it is a subscription service that allows you to try a new designer perfume each month for only $15. That is such a steal. It's not just like a small sample either. Perfumes can get so expensive. It's a good size bottle. This is one of the ones they sent me. It's Taka's Maya. And this is what I've been wearing almost every day. I haven't even tried the other ones yet because I tried this one and really liked it. But anyways, each month you get a 30-day supply. There are over 450 scents to choose from. They have brands like Glossier and Gucci. They even offer makeup from brands like Kat Von D and Tarte. Below, I will have a coupon code if you guys want to try out Scentbird and get 30% off your first month. But really quickly, I wanted to share the other perfumes in case you guys are in the market for something that's cruelty-free. I have Confessions of a Rebel, Get a Room, sassy name. My French is not the best. Kaileemckenzie, please don't judge me. Remarkable People. Cases are perfect for travel or for putting in your purse on the go, and they also just like look cute with the rest of your stuff. Hi you guys, I thought I would quickly walk you through my beauty routine just for when I'm working at home. Honestly, a lot of times I don't put on makeup, but if I'm going to be filming or if I have to go out to run any errands, I do like to feel a little bit more put together. I feel like it helps my mood immensely to like not be a slob, you know? Not that not wearing makeup makes you a slob, of course. I still wear very minimal makeup, but you just feel a bit better. So I'm gonna put my hair up. I know I talk about it all the time, but as you guys can see, my roots are pretty insane. They've gotten really long. I mentioned it a few times before, but I'm just like toying with the idea of dyeing my hair red and having a bit of root showing just because I think that would look a lot better than how it looks right now. People used to be pretty cruel to me in my comments about how my roots look, but lately I've been getting a lot of comments that say it's such a look. But honestly, I'm still feeling like it's just a bit too sloppy for me, especially because I'm trying to go for more of a natural look or dye my hair red, which obviously isn't natural. So I'm just in a bit of a dilemma. But as you saw earlier, I already washed my face with the CeraVe face wash, and then I also moisturized with the CeraVe moisturizer. I use that one a lot, or I also use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, but the CeraVe one is a great drugstore moisturizer to have. But I'm gonna go in with Thirsty Beauty's new Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. It's super fluffy and I feel like it makes my makeup go on so much nicer when I'm actually wearing makeup. And then for face makeup, I either use the Chantecaille Anti-Smog Tinted Moisturizer Just Skin. It also has sunscreen in it, which is really nice. Although lately, this is a little bit too dark for my skin tone. It still blends pretty well, but I've just been preferring not even to use this and just go straight to concealer because I've really been trying to take care of my skin and not put too many products on it. So I just do a bit under my eyes and on any blemishes. It's hard to do your makeup with the camera as a mirror. But this is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. I've been trying to transfer the majority of my makeup products over to cruelty-free, and I like this one. Sometimes I feel like it can be a bit cakey though if your face isn't super moisturized. So if you have dry skin, I wouldn't recommend it. And then super simple, I use the same Anastasia contour kit in light to medium for both my blush and my eyeshadow. I just use this brown color right here, and I find that it works really well for like a natural look. I occasionally use one of the lighter colors in my inner corner and it's really nice. And then when I'm traveling, I don't have to bring that many products, although bringing this is kind of a hassle, I admit, but I feel like it has everything that I could want or need. And then I use Boy Brow on my brows. I just have the clear one because I already have pretty dark eyebrows. A bit of the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I'm on my second tube. I like this stuff. I always see all of these women that I really kind of like look up to, I guess that's a weird way to say it, but beauty routine wise, how they always look so cool and they don't wear mascara. But I feel like unless I'm just wearing no makeup at all, I don't pull off that look. I look too sleepy. Also, I feel like it's a very American thing to wear mascara. And then occasionally, I'm feeling like I need it, I use the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Just like a super glamorous thing to do for yourself, and that is my beauty routine. I've moved to our office, which is a giant disaster that we have to clean up before all of our production pieces come in. If you guys don't know, I own a clothing brand called Staatsballett with my boyfriend and business partner Avery, and we work out of this office in our apartment. We have inventory for our next collection shipping here very soon. Today we are actually working on approving some dye swatches for some things, which means that everything is sewn up, which is really great. Things just need to be dyed, tagged, etc., and then shipped here to us. Right now I'm back here in the office working on making some shipping labels. Right now we aren't shipping any pieces that are left from our last collection out of New York. We're still shipping them out of our old location, but I still personally make all of the shipping labels and send them to our shipper. So that's what I am working to do. I tend to usually not work out of the office back here though. I feel like it's more for shipping and for storage, which is something that we do very regularly, so it's very necessary. But I really like working in our living room at our dining table. So beautiful in there with all of the natural light. The natural light in here is okay. You're not really seeing right now because I'm shoved at our standing, which is now sitting, desk in our corner. It's really nice. It raises up. Got it secondhand on Craigslist. It's originally from IKEA though. I'll link it down below if any of you guys are interested. It is great if you are like a student that works really frequently, or if you work at home. I just feel like it really improves my day when I am glued to a computer all day. But the light in here is okay. We used to have the desk facing the light, but we are buying a Juki, which is going to take up a lot of space, and ditching our old sewing machine setup. So that's gonna go by the window. I wanted to talk with you guys a bit about some sort of like productivity things that I do and things I do to make my workday a bit more enjoyable and more organized. So I thought I would first talk about what Avery and I use as a team, and I also use individually on my own for to-do lists. I'm really trying to kind of like move the majority of my life over to digital just because that is the direction that things are going. So Avery and I both use this free app and it's called Todoist. If I can find it on the App Store, which I'm sure I'll be able to, I'll link it down below. But what's really great is that you can organize your to-do list into different projects and you can share them with other people as well. You can like put in your schedule on the app and they'll send you like an email reminder every day, and at the end of the day with like things that you got done and things that maybe need rescheduled. Another really great thing is that you can rank things by priority, but I mainly love the due date format because if I'm thinking of something that I need to do and maybe I don't have to do it today, I can go ahead and write it down and put a due date on it, because I find that holding myself accountable for dates that I need to have things done just works so much better for me, and I feel much more on top of things, and you don't have the sort of voice in the back of your head saying like, oh, you can always do it tomorrow. Other than that, I listen to a lot of podcasts while I'm working, only when I'm really doing things like making shipping labels or generating affiliate links, things that don't require a lot of brain power, or else I find that multitasking isn't the most efficient way for me to get things done. But I find that listening to podcasts does make my workday more enjoyable, so I wanted to share some that I've been listening to because I get asked that quite a lot on my second channel and my vlogs, where I frequently like have podcasts playing in the background. So some more political ones that I listen to are Pod Save America. They upload podcasts twice a week and just talk about current events and things that are going on in America and in the world right now, and I find it very useful for staying up to date with events. And then I occasionally listen to This American Life, more businessy sort of ones if you're into that. I listen to How I Built This, which is an NPR podcast, all the time. I feel like that's the first podcast I really got into listening to, and it's just different entrepreneurs from usually pretty big businesses talking about how they started and how they built everything to where it is today. I also listen to Planet Money, which is an NPR podcast, and then some more like fashion, business sort of related ones that are a bit more up my alley and geared towards my interests. I listen to the Business of Fashion podcast. They also have one called Drive, which is really good. The Glossy podcast is great for podcasts on the beauty and fashion industry. And then some more sort of entertainment ones that I've been listening to that I still find educational are Pillow Talk by Killer and a Sweet Thing. I'm sure a lot of you guys follow her on Instagram, but it's sort of like a sex education podcast, which I think is great because there's definitely a lack for that, especially with people around our age. And then I listen to Ginny and David Mustard's podcast. I usually watch that on YouTube though. They post every Monday morning and I just find them very entertaining. And I also listen to this podcast on Monday mornings that is by the founder of this influencer marketing agency called FOR, and his name's James Nord, and it's mainly just about influencer marketing, but something I find interesting because it is a business that I'm in. But I guess I'll stop rambling about podcasts now, get to work, and catch up with you guys later. I wanted to show you guys my outfit today. I am wearing this Comme des Garçons Homme shirt that Avery got me as a holiday gift, with a Staatsballett sample vest, which we'll be releasing with our spring-summer collection. I've got a lot of questions on this necklace recently. It's a Werkstattmotion necklace. Rings from our first collection and also from Majuri. My everyday black trousers with no shoes because I'm at home. These socks look so funny with the white on the back. But when I go out later for an event, I will probably wear my Doc Marten Jadens. And that's my look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you want to see more vlog style videos like this on this channel. And I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!